Hey everyone! Want to go viral with a skit or POV video? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a trending POV or comedic skits that grab attention and boost your views. And here's how to do it. First, start with a relatable idea or what if scenario. Like POV, your favorite child, or POV, your teacher reads your name wrong again. Then use a popular audio. Search a TikTok Creative Center or scroll to your FYP to find a trending sounds, perfect for acting or storytelling. Then add a text on screen and start to hook viewers instantly. Your first 2 seconds matter. Then act it out with a clear facial expressions and tone. You don't need a fancy props, just good timing and energy. Then keep it short, make it 15 to 30 seconds works best. Cut out any dead space and use hashtag POV, hashtag relatable, hashtag FYP, and hashtag viral to boost your visibility. And that's how to make a trending POV or skit video on TikTok. Fun, relatable, and scroll stopping. If you found this video helpful, tap like, subscribe, and turn the bell icon for more content tips. Thanks for watching.